Hey guys, welcome to our channel Learn to Win. Today our topic is Pythagoras Theorem. So let's start. This is a right angle triangle. Angle B is 90 degree. AC is the hypotenuse. AB is the perpendicular, and that means height, and BC is the base. So we have taken AC as H, AB as P, and BC as B. So according to Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. That means CA square equal to AB square plus BC square. The side just opposite to that right angle, that means AC here, is the hypotenuse. So let's discuss this theorem with some examples. In right angle triangle XYZ, XY is 6 cm, XZ is 10 cm, angle Y is 90 degree. Find the length of YZ. So first let's draw the figure. Angle Y is 90 degree, and this is X, this is Z. XY is 6, XZ is 10. Let this be B. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to 6 square plus y square. So from here we will get y square as 10 square minus 6 square, that is 64. So it is 8 square. So if we square root both the side, then we will get y equal to 8, which is the answer. So this is y. So YZ is equal to 8 cm. So this is the final answer. Okay. Moving on to our next example. In the right angle triangle PQR, hypotenuse PR is 13 cm, QR is 5. What is the length of PQ? So let's draw the figure again. So PR, that is the hypotenuse, this is 13. As I have told earlier, the opposite side of the right angle is that hypotenuse. So this is the 90 degree angle, and this is Q. According to question, this is 5, this is 13. So we have to calculate PQ. Let's take it as X. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to x square plus 5 square. So from here we will get x square as 144 if you calculate this. So that is 12 square. So x is 12 centimeter here, which is equal to that PQ. PQ is 12 centimeter here. So this is the final answer. This is how we can solve right angle triangle problems using Pythagoras theorem. Understood? If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up by hitting the like button. We will be happy to receive your feedback in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Till next video, keep learning, keep winning. Have a nice day. Thank you.